안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. I made a video about rice paper dumplings before, and I'm so grateful that many of you like it. So today I'm going to introduce another dumpling rice recipe that is super easy to make and delicious. Please watch until the end to see how it's made. Let's get started. How to prepare shrimp. Remove the tails from the shrimp and wash them. Chop them finely. You can chop them a bit more with a knife. You don't need to chop too finely. Chopping an appropriate amount will give you the best chewing texture. Chop the chives finely. The combination of shrimp and chives seems to go well together. If you have carrots, chop them finely. Carrots are optional. I will add a little for color and taste. Now all the ingredients are prepared. Let's season. Put all the ingredients in a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of potato starch. You can use cornstarch if you don't have a potato starch. Add about half a tablespoon of oyster sauce to enhance the flavor. If you don't have oyster sauce, you can add a little soy sauce. Add about half tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. A bit of pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Adding a bit of sugar makes the food much more delicious. Lastly, add 1 egg. Mix well. The dumpling filling is now ready. Let's make the dumpling shapes. Here's a rice paper I will be using today. It's 16 centimeters in length. Pour cold water into a bowl. Soak the rice paper in cold water. Soaking rice paper in cold water prevents it from tearing and makes it easier to wrap. After soaking in cold water for a while, the rice paper becomes soft. Put about 1 large tablespoon of prepared filling on it. Fold one side like this. Fold the other side as well. Fold the other side as well. Make the rest in the same way. This size seems not too big and good to eat. All the dumplings are ready. Now let's cook them. Pour about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Place the rice paper dumplings one by one. It's good to leave a little space between them so they don't stick together. Cook on medium heat for about 3 minutes until the filling is cooked and golden brown. After 3 minutes, flip them over. The outside has become crispy. Can you hear the crispy sound? Once both sides are well cooked, they are ready to be served. Very savory and crispy rice paper dumpling is done. They taste great on their own. If you want to dip them in a sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of vinegar, a little gochugaru, sesame seeds, and sugar. They are also delicious dipped in this sauce. Wow, look at this. The outside is crispy and the inside is moist and savory. It's really delicious. How was today's recipe? Anyone can make it as long as you have the ingredients. Hope you give it a try. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.